Hello everyone, my name is Miriam and today I will talk about how I got into research. Real quick, so I started as a medical assistant at a small clinic where they conducted clinical trials. I actually was very intrigued on the process of starting clinical trials and the benefits that it had for some subjects and just how it changed some of these patients' lives financially and also depending on the disease, the way they benefited and the way that it improved some of their lives. The clinic I used to work for, it was run by a husband and wife, and I always showed interest. I always worked my hardest, and they actually gave me the opportunity to work as a clinical research junior coordinator. I'm sorry, and I was able to learn more because they were always teaching me new stuff on how to do it. The only requirement they had was an agreement that we had to agreed upon was that I had to go back to school, and actually that was a great thing for me in the long run. Yet it was really hard to enroll into college because I'm the first one in my family to go to college. So I don't know why, but enrolling into college was very difficult for me because I was intimidated by the whole process. But now here I am, part-time student, full-time at Inova as a regulatory specialist. Unfortunately, I left the clinic where I started in the research field due to better benefits that I was seeking, and the opportunity just came up. And at Inova Hospital, they were offering a regulatory position to work with the startup and maintaining and closing each clinical department. And I also work with the pulmonary research department. I actually wasn't planning on leaving my other job, but just the opportunity came up and it was just better for myself and my family. And here I am. And I'm also, they're very me to go back to school and finish my degree as well. And they're very, and I'm still there working with more studies and getting my hands on and skills on the research field. And I hope that one day I will either be in the management position for the regulatory team or work for the FDA as an auditor because I like to review and make sure that in the manner that they're supposed to be and that the guidelines are being followed and the safety of the patients are met. And that's how I got into the research field. And